Many time it happens that we just need to find a blouse for a sari which is like the sari doesn't have a blouse. Many of the old saris, particularly mother sari and aunt sari, grandma sari, they are without blouses because of the fact that those have been very old. The saris have been kept nicely, but not the blouses. So this pure Jamawar, Banarasi or Petani or Himru weave and pure satin weaves, where those saris can be the old saris can be worn. I have created some few beautiful designer blouses. So the first one I would show you this is a Jamawar Banarasi fabric. This is a Jamawar Banarasi fabric with this kind of a blouse, and see the border. See how beautiful. It's a khadi, pure khadi, Banarasi, pure khadi Banarasi with this kind of a, you can understand from the back. And so this is the back and that's the blouse. So that's the blouse number one. It is a bright mango yellow satin weave, satin silk weave, and very thick and nice. And the gold, you can see the minakari work, and that's the blouse sleeves. So this is the complete blouse. So that's the blouse number one. It's a very beautiful blouse and with kind of a plain maroon, Arne silk, plain maroon Mysore silk, or any kind of plain silk, or plain this yellow, this kind of a mango yellow color, or a tissue sari, plain gold tissue sari. This blouse will just go very well. Then there is one blouse. It's in very nice short color of purple and green, of mehendi green, with this kind of a extremely beautiful and attractive border. So this is the blouse border. This is the border, and that's the blouse, and that's the back of the blouse with this kind of a border at the back. This kind of a thread border at the back. No zari. The zaris are coming on the sleeves like this. So these are all semi-stitched blouse going up to 46, rather 48 size. And see the blouse back and front. So that's second blouse number two. Blouse number three, it is another beautiful blouse, Himru weave. See the blouse border. How pretty, how pretty. What kind of, the pink is like lovely pink. It's such a beautiful subtle pink color. See the whole blouse sleeves have this. The body front is this, another sleeve, and the back has this border. The blouse black has this kind of a border. So very pretty and a very elegant blouse. Will go with some plain cream kind of a silk. Maybe this will go with black, a plain black silk, or a cream silk, or a mauve. This kind of a color. If the silk sari is of this kind of a color, and this will go with mauve, yeah, or maybe navy blue also, would go. See the blue color. So a lot of colors will go with this blouse. So this is blouse number three. Blouse number four is a full brocade Banarasi. This blouse is a full brocade Banarasi blouse. It's a full brocade Banarasi with this kind of a sleeve, Lovely brocade Banarasi blouse. Semi-stitched. Pure silk Banarasi. Nothing mixed, no artificial weave, no power loom, nothing. Pure handloom fabric. These are all pure handloom Banarasi fabric. These comes from my Banarasi weaver only. So this is the body. That's the back. And so this are the blouse pieces. This is the blouse. So it's a pure. This is kind of a yellow ochre. This is a ochreish yellow, but it's a short color again. It's like little on the orangish yellow kind of a shade. And so that's the blouse with a beautiful full lining. The blouses have proper full lining. So I mean, and again it's like up till 48 the blouse size. And also if somebody wants to, this is all stitched at 16. Somebody wants to open this, it can go up to 18. This one I can make it. So this border, this can go up to 18. So the length of the blouse can go up to 18, whoever wears 18 blouse length. This is a pure Gajji silk. This is a pure Gajji silk. Raidana bandage. You see the bandage and you can understand it's a Raidana bandage. It's a pure Gajji silk. Pure Gajji silk Raidana bandage blouse. This can go with so many colors. White, off-white, yellow, red. Red thing would also look very nice. There are dancers. There are this kind of dancing dolls. And the back has this kind of a geometric kind of a pattern. The front. So these are all about 12 length sleeves of about 11 and a half to 12. This much of a sleeve length. And so that's the blouse. Very soft and pure Gajji silk. This is a ikat. This is a absolute ikat's ikat blouse in a beautiful. This is a little brighter green coming here, but this is a very nice and subtle green color. This is more on the olive side. It's a brighter olive green. It's a brighter olive green. So this is that ikat. It's an ikat weave. It's an ikat weave. In the back, what we have given is a patch like this. It's not a patch, but it's the designing is like this. It's the designing. This part will come here on your right side. This part will come on your right side. So that's the blouse. That's the blouse. It's a pure silk ikat blouse. It's a pure silk ikat blouse with this kind of a piping have been given. This is the inside color. This is the lining color. Actually, this is the color, but it's coming very bright because of the silk fabric and the light which is coming. So actually the color of the blouse is this. This is the real color of the blouse. That kind of a very beautiful olive green color. Okay. And the ikat is done like this. The ikat is done like this. This is a very beautiful teal green kind of a patterny fabric blouse. And it has a Narali border. See, it's a beautiful Narali border. This border is called Narali border. This kind of a, that's diamond weave border is a traditional Narali border in patterny. So I have given a puff sleeves with this. I have given a puff kind of sleeves with this, like this. See, it's a beautiful puff sleeve. And so the body has little buttas, the woven buttas. It's a pure teal green silk color. And with this border coming at the back. This border at the back and the sleeves. And it is little puff sleeves. So the sleeves would look like this. Beautiful one. So it's just a little kind of a puff. See how beautiful? How beautiful the sleeve would look. It'll look like this puff. This puff. There are pleats in this. There are pleats in this. So this kind of a puff sleeve. Very nice. So this kind of a blouse. And there are there are now 2 blouses only. 2 or 3, I'm just need to check. So these are the blouses. These are on satin cotton material, cotton satin material. Very beautiful one. The size is up till 42. The blouse can go up to the size of 42. No, it can go up to 44. The size of the blouse can go up to 44. And these are all handcrafted embroidery. These are all handcrafted embroidery. There are 2-3 embroidery stitches done in this. One is your lambani. This flowers are of lambani. And then this is kantha. And there are the Sindhi embroidery also. This is actually Kathiawadi, not Sindhi. This is a Kathiawadi embroidery. Then this is kantha and lambani. So it's a mix of 3 embroideries. Mix of 3 hand embroideries. So the whole back is like this. It's a very rich looking blouse. Very rich looking blouse with this kind of embroidery. This kind of whole sleeves will come with this embroidery. See. So this another beige. It's a golden beige kind of a color, golden beige kind of a color. So this is a neutral color, more a neutral color. So this also has this kind of same embroidery, golden beige kind of a color. So that's the back. That's the back of the blouse. That's the back of the blouse. Full handwork. Beauty is that here there is a little bit of Sindhi embroidery also. Sindhi embroidery, again Lambani, again Kantha, and again this Lambani. This is the Sindhi embroidery, and this is the mirror work is with Kutch mirror work. So it's a mix and match of all the handcrafted embroideries what we generally have. There are 3-4 varieties of embroidery. So that's the back of this blouse. This is in lovely deep bottle green color. It's a bottle green color. This is the same green as that bottle green or teal green, whatever. This is the same as that Paitani blouse. So this is the combination. This is the blouse. So this is the blouse sleeves. This is the blouse sleeves. See how vibrant. And just a plain sari would just look so amazing. A plain pink bigampuri with this blouse. A pink malmal, or a pink tangail, or a pink mangalgiri. If it's a sky blue or a pink or a yellow, anything would do with this. Such a pretty and such a unique kind of blouse. See, beautiful blouse, and so it can go up to 44. Then there is another beautiful satin cotton fabric where this the kantha. It is a kantha embroidery blouse. It's a kantha blouse with this kind of kantha work on the sleeves, and a lovely peacock at the back. So that's the blouse. This blouse, I tell you, can go up to 42. This blouse can go up to 42. These are all stitched, and they are stitched at 40, but they can go up to 42. This can go up to 42, not more than that. This can go up to 42 size. Okay, so it's 42. There are further few embroidered blouses. There are further few embroidered blouses in lovely, matka by cotton fabric. It's a lovely light little green kind of a color with all hand embroidery. This is like this. The back, this is actually with a pad with it's a normal padded blouse. So this is the back. This is the back of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse. See, this is the back of the blouse, and this can go up to 44 because this is enough of space inside and on the sides. So this can go up to 44. Okay, so this is another blouse. There is this blouse. This is a kind of a blended raw silk, not a pure raw silk. It's a blended raw silk with this called satin stitch, also called satin stitch, and beads work, all by hand, multicolored embroidery like this, all by hand. It's all by hand. The back is plain. The back is simple. It's more, the glamour is on the sleeves. The glamour is all on the sleeves. So the sleeves would look very, very glamorous. See how beautiful and glamorous are the sleeves. Beautiful one. So these are all padded blouse, and there is a black velvet. This is a Zardozi work. This is a Zardozi work on a black blouse. So that's the back of the blouse. See the Zardozi work. It's a hand done Zardozi work on the black and sleeves. The sleeve, this is the sleeve, and this is a velvet blouse. This is a black rich velvet. This is a black velvet blouse, absolute pure soft velvet. And so that's the front of the blouse. That's the front of the blouse, and that's the sleeves, and this is the back. It's a deep back. It's about 10 inches. 9.5 to 10 inches deep back blouse. Then we come to another blouse, which is it's another blended raw silk. This is another blended raw silk, and that's the back. That's the back of the. This is a mirror embroidery. This is the mirror embroidery at the back of the blouse. This is the mirror embroidery all can go up to 44. All the blouses can go up to 44. So that's the mirror embroidery. And that's the front of the blouse. And that's the mirror embroidery. Another satin cotton blouse is ghee color. It's basically, it's almost a ghee color. It's you know, ghee color with, again, hand embroidery. So the embroidery is at the back like this, at the back like this, in a this French knot, satin stitch, all kind of stitches, stitches. And the blouse sleeves would look like this, very pretty and beautiful. The sleeves would look like this, very pretty and beautiful. Here a little bit of work is there. And this side also. So this is this kind of a blouse. So this is the blouse. Any color of a sari would go with this. Maroon would look very beautiful. A maroon sari would look very, very beautiful with this kind of an elegant and a very nice and a rich blouse. There are sequence work also. There's a zari sequence work. See the sequence work, which is giving little glitter to the whole embroidery. Some kind of chamkila happens things. So that's the blouse.